I launched my first mobile app exactly a week ago, and in this video, I'll be talking about everything I'm doing to get my first 100 paying users. So, if you're someone who is interested in startups or building something of your own, you'll definitely learn a lot about marketing and distribution in this video. So, yeah, without wasting any time, welcome to episode 7 of Startup Diaries, a series where I document my life building startups completely unscripted. So, if you're new, this is the app I built. It's called Afterly No Contact Recovery. It's basically an AI powered breakup, healing, and support app. And there are a lot of features I implemented in it, like an AI tab, a notes tab, some breathing exercises, or some other psychological ways to help people when they're sad. A progress tab where they can see themselves healing with this glowing orb, and honestly I'll keep pushing updates to this app as we go through this series. Now let's talk about the marketing part. As of now, for marketing, I'm focusing on Instagram Reels, then TikTok, and then I'm also presenting in my college classes. I've already done it in one class, in my algorithms class, and it went really well. Like there were around 35 to 40 students, and honestly, one of the student came to me after the class and said that he liked the app a lot. And so for the first class, I think it went really well. I didn't get much downloads from the class. I would say I got like 7 or 8 downloads, but I think that's pretty good considering it was like 35 students. So out of those, like 8 students download the app. But to be honest, nobody paid like until, yeah, I sold 2 free trials. If they don't cancel their trials, I'll definitely get paid. But until now, I have not sold any monthly recurring subscriptions, but I got like 8 downloads from that class. Now, today I made like 11 professors. So out of them, like two already denied that and they won't allow it. But I'm waiting on the other eight. Then I have one more presentation scheduled for my May 7th class, which is computer architecture. And the professor was like, he's a great professor. I just went to him and I asked, like, sir, can I present it on the app in your class? And he was like, what does the app do? And I was like, it helps you deal with breakup. And he was like, that's something like every student needs in their college life. So he agreed immediately, and I scheduled with him for this May 7th, and I'll be presenting in his class. And now I'm waiting on the other 9 professors besides like these two already denied, so it's like 9 professors more, and I'm waiting for their responses. And today I also considered about doing Reddit marketing, which let me show you everything on the laptop so you can like understand it better. All right, so as you can see on my screen, this is the account of Afterly. I have already posted like 18 posts. Actually, one of my friend is helping me with creating these marketing videos, so that's why I'm so consistent with it. I'm focusing more on like class presentations and in-person outreach, like going to people or in crowded places and just ask them, hey, are you going through a breakup? I know that sounds a bit like odd, but I'm trying to put myself out there and just get users to this app anyhow. And he's focusing more on creating these videos, and these are all the videos we have created until now. Let me show you. For example, like this is one of the videos I liked a lot. So what we are doing is we make story type videos. We make a hook, and then we try to get people like see the video. Like we from our first tries, they shouldn't feel like it's an ad. I know these are AI videos, so somewhere they will feel like an ad. But our best tries to make these videos or the hook part feel real, and then at the end we end the video with the CTA of the app, like call to action for download afterly, or I used afterly, and that's how I recovered. So that's our whole goal for the app. Until now we aren't getting much engagement. Like to be honest with you, there are only 2 reels. There's only this one reel which has like 1,500 views, and then there is a reel which got like 800 views. Rest of them, they are not blowing. Like we are under 300 views on like most of the reels. But it's alright. Like it's been, I think we have already posted 18 videos right now, but we'll just continue to post until it works. Like there is no other uh, throughout this series I'm saying this, either you will see me lose 100 times or you will see me win real big. But yeah, we'll just continue to post videos like this, and hopefully something will blow up. Like that's all I can say. And on TikTok too, I'm doing the same thing. Like on TikTok, I'm posting reposting the same videos we are posting on Instagram. And then here is the for professor emails, I just like write emails of all of my professor in my college, and then just email them, like let me show you on the kind of email I'm sending them. So for professors, what I'm doing is I've written a general email which will work for most of the classes, and I'm using this as a template. I ask them peacefully, like, can I just, like, not peacefully, like, kind of really sweet, in a sweet way, that can I present the app in your class? And I also and at and complete I completely understand if they don't allow it or if it's not a great fit. So there is no pressure on the professors end, as some professors are really busy with their work, and I completely understand it. So this is my template for the email I'm sending to professors. And then this is like out of the context of this video, but I think if you are a student or doing anything related to computer, or you're just someone who is trying for a white collar job, like who is not doing something blue collar job, then it's a great way to write your life out. What I do is every day I open my notes tab and write whatever my tasks are. Like when I sleep, let me just pause the recording and talk about it. So what I do is I just open my laptop, and every day I have a notes tab which says like today's task. So I just write out everything, like what I have to do in the whole day. And by when I sleep, I just see like what I did out of all these tasks. I try to do all of them, but sometimes I miss. Like it's human nature or stuff happens. So, and honestly, what I do is I try to write tasks which can't be done in a single day. Like I try to push myself as much as I can. So I like write tasks which can't be finished in a day at all, but I just write them. So I try my best and do more than what I am supposed to do. And I think if you're a student, you should definitely do this. Like every day, when you sleep or when you wake up, just write for the day. Like this is I have to finish by the end of this day, and then either sleep late or just don't sleep, but finish those tasks. That's all I can say. But it's a great way if you to live your life, and if you want to achieve something big, I think definitely do this every day. Either use a small notebook or a notes tab, and then just write your whole days. And what I also do is you can also make a monthly write like on your write on your notebook that May goals or April goals, like monthly goals. And what I do is I just write what I have to achieve in this month, for what I have to do in this month, like on a bigger scale. Like I write both things, what I have to do in a single day, and then what I'm supposed to do in a whole month, like what I should have done by the month ends. Like for the monthly goals, I use bigger tasks. Like for example, for building afterly this whole app, I made this as my monthly goal that by the end of this month I should be finished with this. And honestly, I achieved that goal as I've made this whole app in less than 30 days, and it turned out really good. Then now get back to the Reddit marketing. For that, what I'm doing is honestly, I'm using just ChatGPT and Claude to learn about how to do Reddit marketing. But what I learned is on Reddit, you can just spam like, "Hey, use my app." If you will do that, you'll just get blocked. And what I realized is I had my mic. I was not, I was directly speaking to the camera, so I don't know if the audio is good. If it's not, I'll reshoot the scene, but I hope it's good. So what I'm doing for Reddit is I just like I studied that on Reddit you can just spam your app. You can be like, hey, use Afterly. You have to open your account and you have to start interacting with people, like join groups on Reddit. I've joined like all 9 to 10 groups related to breakups, like our breakup or our heartbreak. I joined all the communities which are related to breakup, and then I'm trying to like just give advice in those communities, or acting like I'm a completely normal person. I'm not acting like I'm trying to promote my app. So how you can, or I'll end up promoting my app is, first I'll behave completely like a normal user. I'll just give advice or give opinions, listen to other opinions, and then in the end or in replies I can mention that I also went through the same thing, and what I did is I used created a small tool for it. If you want, you can use it. Like that's how I'll market on Reddit. Reddit can't be scaled like Instagram or TikTok, but I think it's possible to get early users or first 100 users through Reddit. So honestly, these are all the four ways I'm like doing to market this app or get my first 100 users. I'll continue doing the same strategy for like next 15 days until May 15th. If it works, I'll continue with this. If it doesn't, then I'll change my whole strategy. So yeah, and that's all for this video. Also, if you're watching this video until here and life isn't fair with you, or you are going through hardships, let me tell you, I'm making these YouTube videos when I'm going through a breakup. I made this whole app to deal with the pain of a breakup. So I just want to tell you, if life isn't fair with you, whoever is watching until here, trust me, just keep going. Like, until, for me, things are not working. I'll be honest with you. I just try. That's all I do. I just don't stop. I don't get results. Like sometimes I do, sometimes I not. Like until now, it's been like a week. I didn't get any results, to be honest, with the app, and I am just continuing on the hope that one day I'll do something, or one day this all this will work out. This app will get users, or this app will blow up, or one of my videos will blow up. So I just want to say to you, if life is hard with you, just keep going. Don't stop. Work hard, no matter how many times you fail. Just get up and do the work which you need to do. Thanks for watching.